Let me show you how you can add a Google search bar on an Android home screen. So the first step is that you have the Google app downloaded onto your device. So it's probably going to be part of the Google folder, just like I have it in here. I didn't have to download it. It was pre-installed, but if not, go to the Play Store and look up Google. Really, literally just the Google app. So it doesn't have to be like any web browser or anything. I'm talking about this one with the G icon. And then now that we have it on our device, we can be on the home screen like this, hold it down somewhere to go to the edit mode and click on widgets at the bottom. So as you can see, wallpaper, themes, and widgets are right there. So I'm going to click on widgets and scroll through the available ones, and I want to click on Google in here. So I click on Google, and there are a few of them available, but the one we are interested in is the search bar. So I'm going to click on it, tap add, and now it's been added to my home screen. I actually have two of them on this page, but if I hold down on it like this, I'm going to move it to this one. Right, let me have it right in here. And if we are still in the edit mode, we can grab the corners like this and even make it longer or shorter, right? So you can even resize it if you would want it to make sure that it actually fits your home screen setup. So I hope it helps. That's what I wanted to quickly explain and show you. Let me know your thoughts and opinions below. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.